Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your CLA 250 key battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR2025 battery, which is a common coin cell battery, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple process takes only a few minutes and can save you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's open the key fob. First, find the small release button on the side of your key. Slide this button and pull out the mechanical key. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, you can pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2025 battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR2025 battery and insert it into the slot, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the mechanical key back into its slot. Once everything is back together, test your key fob immediately to ensure it locks and unlocks your vehicle. You've successfully changed your CLA 250 key battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.